Friendship never goes out of fashion. From the factory to the free roads. It's about starting a lifelong journey. A friendship that rides on the spirit of passion. While the destinations or styles may change, friends on the road stay the same. Be it the twists and turns of the road, or the highs and lows of life. For ours is a kind of friendship that gives you the wheels of safety and the wings of adventure. Happy Friendship Day from CEAT Tyres and Royal Enfield. Friends on the road.